Hello, I'm Alan Gray, Executive Director of the Center for Food and Agricultural Business. For a few minutes here, I'd like to talk to you just a little bit about a recent study that we've done and a blog post that we've put together. You know, the idea of sustainability has recently gained a great deal of attention, and an important aspect in sustainability is the adoption of agricultural conservation practices. Recently, the Center for Food and Agricultural Business, in partnership with the Nature Conservancy, conducted a study to better understand the opportunities and challenges both farmers and ag retailers face in both planning and adopting conservation practices. By hosting focus groups with both retailers and their customers in different territories across the Midwest, we were able to draw a lot of interesting insights. My colleagues and I have written a blog focusing on a few of those insights, such as, for example, the challenge that retailers have in developing a communication strategy when some of their farmers are more willing to be leaders in the adoption of conservation practices, and in fact, in some cases, maybe ahead of the retailer with respect to the adoption curve and understanding the latest and best with respect to those practices, while many of their other farmer customers are hesitant to want to adopt any sort of new conservation practices and would prefer to stick to the things that they know and trust and that have worked for them for many years. Puts the retailer in a difficult position to think about whether they want to become a leader in conservation practices or a follower who follows their customers in this area. For additional findings from the study, I'd encourage you to go to the website to read the full blog that we've put out there that has a number of these insights in it. And I also encourage you to join us and the Nature Conservancy on October the 7th from 12:30 to 1:30 Eastern for a free live webinar where we'll talk more in depth about some of the findings from this study. Thank you.